Hi, my name is Karampuri Ajeet. I have completed my post-graduation in MMS with specialization of finance. Along with, I have completed investment banking and hedge funds course with Magic Institute of Excellence. Recently, I got placed in SS&C GlobeOp as a hedge funds operations to Magic Institute of Excellence. This course is different from other courses. Here, I learned various things about the investment banking and hedge funds, like what is equity, what is derivatives, what is bonds. Here we can update ourselves and we gain more knowledge about the market. This course was an online, but it never feels like it was an online. The trainers are so good, they will also take care of each and every students. It was really too good. They will taught in easy and simple way. They make every concept clear by that students can easily understand. They will also conduct some guest lectures to provide an extra knowledge how to crack the interviews and how to communicate and all. Especially thanks to all the MIE team and the trainers who guide me and support me and motivate me. It was really an amazing experience with MIE. Thanks to all the MIE teams.